Here we have the first official and confirmed CID-based renders images of the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. This images was shared by Tipster, even Blass, including the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. These three models are come in 4 colors, including black, white, cobalt, violet, sky blue.
Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me, I'm free from what I'm living in. Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me. So don't tell me you want me.
Popular tipster Evan Blass has leaked a stunning Galaxy S26 Ultra render GIF, giving us our first complete look at Samsung's next flagship. This is not a fan-made concept, it looks like an official marketing animation, the kind Samsung uses before launch. From the front, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is now completely flat. The curved edges are gone, replaced by sharp, clean sides and perfectly symmetrical bezels, giving the phone a more premium, modern look. The center punch-hole camera is still here, but it looks smaller and cleaner than before. That suggests Samsung may have upgraded the front camera sensor or display layering, improving image quality while making the cutout less noticeable. The display also looks more immersive. The bezels appear thinner on all sides, and the screen feels almost edge-to-edge, which hints at Samsung pushing the Ultra closer to a true full-screen experience. The purple wallpaper in the render is not random either. Samsung usually uses its official launch wallpapers in internal renders, meaning this design is already locked in and ready for production. What makes this leak so important is that Evan Blass rarely shares fake material. When he posts animated renders like this, they usually come directly from Samsung's marketing files, making this one of the most reliable S26 Ultra leaks so far. If this design is final, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is clearly moving toward a more refined, iPhone-like premium feel, while still keeping Samsung's iconic center camera layout. This single render GIF doesn't just show us how the phone looks, it tells us that Samsung is preparing a major visual upgrade for its next Ultra flagship. Samsung published a teaser of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, teasing its upcoming camera features and upgrades. Previously, the company used to share teasers once a day, but this time, it's using this new short video format to gain diverse attention. What's different this time is that these videos don't promote the Unpacked event. Instead, they're feature-specific. This same teaser was also shared by Tipster Ice Universe, who tagged it with the next Galaxy, further hinting that Samsung is now actively teasing the Galaxy S26 Ultra ahead of its official launch. This year's Unpacked event is still being prepared, and while Samsung has not rushed to reveal details about the Galaxy S26 series launch date, tipster Evan Blass has stepped in to share new information. The leaker posted an image on the social media platform X that looks like an official invite for the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. It lists February 25th, 2026 as the date for the next Unpacked. A blurred section appears as well, which could point to the event location. Earlier reports suggest the event will be held in San Francisco, moving away from San Jose, which hosted the Galaxy S25 and S24 launches. This year, Samsung has pushed the Galaxy S26 series launch later compared to last year, which took place in the 4th week of January 2025. This delay is linked to supply chain problems, including a DRAM production shortage and rising component costs. For the lineup, Samsung is expected to keep its usual 3-model strategy, featuring the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. As always, the main focus will be on the premium model because of its upgrades in camera, display, and overall design. Insider Evan Blass Leaks released the Galaxy S26 Ultra's official promo image, showing the phone in its ultraviolet, also known as Cobalt Violet, signature color. Samsung began building excitement for its Unpacked event last week, As February starts today, the launch month for the Galaxy S26 series, leaker Evan Blass has shared the first official promotional image of the Ultra model in its signature finish. Like the previously leaked CAD renders, the official promotional image confirms the presence of a noticeable camera bump on the back. The sensor layout stays the same. Samsung has simply placed 3 large rings inside a raised camera island. The camera bump itself stands out. Its thickness is quite noticeable, which is why Samsung designed it in 2 layers. This dual layer structure helps the phone feel smoother while still being strong enough for daily use. The leaked image also shows the Galaxy S26 Ultra's corners. They appear slightly more rounded than those on the S25 Ultra. The position of the volume buttons and the side key also looks similar to what we have seen on earlier flagship models. The S Pen can also be seen next to the phone. This confirms that the stylus will continue in 2026, although there is no clear promise for 2027. The location of the S Pen slot has already become a point of discussion among fans. This is only the start of the official leak cycle, which is expected to grow in the coming days. Samsung is expected to introduce the new flagship phones on February 25 in San Francisco, with the first sales likely to begin on March 11th. We are bringing you official Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra renders, along with its key specifications. The device is presented in 2 finishes here, Cobalt Violet and Black. The phone's overall design is not unexpected at this stage, since we previously shared CAD-based visuals. Still, these images provide a clearer view of the final model, and also display the device from different angles. The S Pen is clearly visible in these shots as well. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a flat display and a centered camera cutout at the top. The bezels surrounding the screen are thin and evenly sized. The power and volume buttons are placed on the right side, and they are the only physical controls on the handset. On the rear, there is a triple camera arrangement in the upper left area. These 3 lenses are aligned vertically and sit on a raised camera island. An LED flash is positioned next to them. The camera module stands out from the back, and the lenses add extra depth. This means the phone will likely wobble when placed on a flat surface. Using a protective case can help reduce this effect. The edges of the device are rounded, while the frame remains flat all the way around. These are not the only colors that will be available, but they are the only ones currently shown in images. Based on earlier leaks, the device is expected to launch in black, white, silver shadow, sky blue, cobalt violet, and pink gold. This is our first unboxing and hands-on experience with the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. From the moment we open the box, the phone immediately gives off a premium and polished impression. As the packaging opens, the device sits neatly on top, instantly highlighting its clean and minimal design approach. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a flat, box-style frame and sharp edges, staying consistent with Samsung's Ultra design language. The color finish appears smooth and matte, softly reflecting light without looking too shiny, which adds to the high-end feel. The back panel looks simple and elegant, with a clear focus on a refined and uncluttered look. Looking at the camera area, we see Samsung's familiar vertical camera arrangement. The lenses are placed separately, giving the phone a strong yet minimal appearance. The camera rings are slightly raised from the back, creating a professional and serious design style that clearly signals this is an Ultra model. From the sides, the phone feels solid and well constructed. The buttons are positioned neatly and seem easy to access, while the flat edges improve grip and give the device a modern, industrial look. The thickness feels well balanced, making the phone look durable without appearing too bulky. On the front, the display looks large, flat, and immersive, with extremely thin bezels. The centered punch-hole camera blends smoothly into the screen, keeping distractions low. Even without powering it on, it's clear that Samsung is focusing on a clean and immersive viewing experience, keeping everything simple and minimal. Similar to recent Samsung flagships, this unboxing highlights Samsung's emphasis on premium design instead of unnecessary additions. Overall, this Galaxy S26 Ultra hands-on unboxing gives us a close look at what Samsung may be working on. While this unit is not confirmed to be final or official, the design feels very close to a real flagship product. If this is the direction Samsung is taking, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a sleek, powerful, and highly refined Ultra smartphone. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.